let's make a very underrated curry from Kerala cuisine. It's called as Moleshyam. Very few recipes you can see, but this is a beautiful combination of flavors. So don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe we can serve 4 to 5 guests. A large size tamarind, 2 cups of water, mix well, let the pulp extract and set it aside. Onto a pot, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, 2 pieces of dry red chilies, saute 30 seconds. Fine chopped ginger, 5 cloves of fine chopped garlic, green chili chopped 5 pieces, and few curry leaves. Saute for a minute. Shallots 7 pieces thickly sliced. Saute for a minute. Add half teaspoon of turmeric, 3 teaspoons of chili powder. Saute for a minute, let the spices are cooked. Bitter gourd cut into dices. Add the bitter gourd, 2 teaspoons of salt. Combine well. Cook for 4 minutes. Add the tamarind pulp, just the pulp only. Combine well. Bring to boil. Slow down the fire. Let it simmer and it's cooked. When it's cooked, add 1 tablespoon of jaggery. Combine well. Check the salt. If needed, add. Mix well. You get a thick sauce. Turn off the flame. Let it rest for at least 30 minutes to get all the flavors infused, and you can enjoy it. The curry is ready. Just one thing is left. Just enjoy and eat. In between, some garlic pickle. The recipe is there in my channel. Don't miss out to give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? What about this one? Just